The definitive answer: to oil or not to oil. Let's cut right to the chase. No, pure electric vehicles do not need oil changes. If you drive a battery electric vehicle like a Tesla Model 3, a Ford F-150 Lightning, or a Hyundai Ioniq 5, you will never again have to wait in line at a quick lube shop for a standard oil and filter change. The days of checking dipsticks and worrying about 5,000-mile synthetic oil intervals are completely behind you. However, it is absolutely vital to differentiate between pure BEVs and hybrids, HEVs, or plug-in hybrids, PHEVs. Your vehicle's powertrain dictates its maintenance. A traditional gas-powered engine is a magnificent, albeit highly complex, piece of machinery. It contains thousands of moving parts, pistons, valves, camshafts, and crankshafts, all operating at thousands of revolutions per minute. This violent, explosive movement generates immense heat and friction. Motor oil is the lifeblood of this system. It lubricates these metal-on-metal components, carries away heat, and catches combustion byproducts. Without oil, an ICE will literally weld itself together and self-destruct in minutes. An electric motor, by stark contrast, is a marvel of simplicity. A typical EV motor contains essentially one primary moving part, the rotor. The rotor sits inside the stator, suspended by bearings, and is spun by electromagnetic fields. There is no combustion, there are no pistons, and there is no metal-on-metal sliding friction. Because the mechanics are so radically simplified, traditional engine motor oil is completely unnecessary. If you are considering a hybrid, like a Toyota Prius, or a plug-in hybrid, like a Jeep Wrangler 4xET, the rules change. If your vehicle has a gas tank and a tailpipe, it requires motor oil. Because hybrids utilize both an electric motor and a traditional internal combustion engine working in tandem, that gas engine still contains all those high-friction moving parts. While you may go much longer between oil changes in a PHEV because the gas engine runs less frequently, you must still perform routine oil changes to keep the internal combustion side of your powertrain healthy. A massive misconception is that because EVs lack motor oil, they are entirely fluid-free. This is false. While maintenance is drastically reduced, pure EVs still rely on a few specialized fluids to operate safely and efficiently. Coolant, or thermal management fluid. This is the most critical fluid in an EV. High-voltage battery packs, electric motors, and the power inverter generate significant heat, especially during DC fast charging or heavy acceleration. EV coolant loops pump specialized thermal management fluid to keep these critical components at their optimal operating temperature, preventing degradation and ensuring maximum range. Transmission or reduction gear fluid. EVs don't have multi-geared transmissions like gas cars, but they do have a reduction gear, a single-speed transmission that transfers the electric motor's massive power to the wheels. This gear set is bathed in a lubricating fluid. For many EVs, this is considered a lifetime fluid, meaning it rarely needs changing. However, some manufacturers recommend inspecting or replacing it at high mileage, like 100,000 miles. Brake fluid. EVs use hydraulic brakes just like traditional cars, meaning they rely on brake fluid to translate your foot pressure into stopping power. Because brake fluid is hygroscopic, it absorbs moisture from the air over time, it must be flushed and replaced periodically to prevent corrosion in your brake lines. Windshield washer fluid, the one fluid that bridges all vehicles. Bugs and dirt don't care what powers your car, you will still be topping this off regularly. Transitioning to an EV means your maintenance schedule shifts from the engine to the chassis and cabin. Here is a highly practical, generalized checklist for EV owners. Tires, every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. This is your #1 maintenance priority. EVs are heavy due to the battery pack and produce instant, massive torque. This combination eats through tire tread faster than a gas car. Diligent tire rotations and pressure checks are vital to maximizing the life of your rubber. Cabin air filter, every 1 to 2 years. Without engine noise and exhaust fumes, the purity of your cabin air becomes very noticeable. Replacing the cabin air filter keeps your HVAC system running efficiently and your interior smelling fresh. Brake fluid test, every 2 years. Have a technician test the moisture content in your brake fluid and flush it if necessary. Coolant system inspection, every 2 to 3 years. Have the thermal management fluid levels and hoses visually inspected to ensure your battery is properly cooled. Wiper blades and washer fluid, as needed. Inspect blades seasonally and top off fluid at home. The shift to an EV drastically lowers your total cost of ownership. By eliminating oil changes, spark plug replacements, serpentine belts, and transmission overhauls, the average EV owner saves hundreds of dollars and several hours of personal time every single year. You're trading weekend mornings in a greasy waiting room for a seamless, plug-and-play lifestyle. The future of transportation isn't just electric, it's highly efficient, incredibly reliable, and remarkably low maintenance. Let's bust some highly questionable maintenance myths about EVs. If I don't have to change my brake pads often, won't my brakes rust? It's a great question. EVs use regenerative braking, where the electric motor reverses its function to slow the car down, capturing energy and sending it back to the battery. Because the physical brake pads are rarely squeezed against the rotors, they can last over 100,000 miles. However, because they are used so infrequently, moisture can cause the rotors to develop surface rust or the brake calipers to stick. It is recommended to occasionally do a hard brake in a safe environment to clean off the rotors and keep the calipers functioning smoothly. Do I need to take my EV to a specialized dealership for things like tire rotations and windshield washer fluid? Not at all. Routine chassis maintenance like tire rotations, alignments, swapping wiper blades, or topping off windshield washer fluid can be done at any reputable local tire shop or in your own driveway. You only need to visit a certified EV technician for issues involving the high-voltage battery, the electric motors, or the thermal management system.